Karnataka Governor Thaawarchand Gehlot walked out of the State Assembly after reading only 2 lines of the customary address prepared by the state government. 2 days earlier, the Kerala government accused Governor Rajendra Arlekar of making critical omissions in the customary address drafted by the elected government. Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan informed the Assembly that the governor had skipped portions critical of the union government and had sought their removal. Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah is now considering approaching the Supreme Court alleging that the governor violated constitutional provisions. This raises an important constitutional question. Does a governor have the authority to edit or omit portions of the address prepared by the elected government? Would the governor's action amount to constitutional violation? On Tuesday, Tamil Nadu Governor R.N. Ravi left the assembly without delivering the customary address, alleging that his microphone was switched off. Similar to the cases in Kerala and Karnataka, Governor R.N. Ravi altered the prepared speech, following which he staged a walkout in 2023. Article 176 of the Constitution deals with the governor's address. It states that at the commencement of the first session after each general election to the Legislative Assembly and at the commencement of the first session of each year, the governor shall address the Legislative Assembly and inform the legislature of the causes of its summons. This is not the first time the governors and the state governments have clashed over the customary address. In the earliest landmark case on this issue, Andul Gafur Habibullah versus Speaker, the Calcutta High Court held that the governor cannot decline to deliver the address and refused to perform this constitutional duty. In 1965, West Bengal Governor Padmaja Naidu walked out without delivering the ceremonial address after the assembly refused to maintain silence. The speaker then took the chair and announced that the governor had been pleased to make a speech and laid a copy of it on the table of the House. The High Court later held that this amounted to a procedural irregularity, not an illegality. The first instance of a governor deliberately skipping portions of the address occurred in 1967, when Rajasthan Governor Sampurnanand omitted parts of the speech. A legal challenge followed, but the Rajasthan High Court ruled that reading a substantial portion of the address was sufficient to deem the entire address as having been delivered. If the Karnataka government does move the Supreme Court, these precedents will take center stage again. Whether the court chooses to reaffirm them or lay down fresh constitutional limits on a governor's conduct remains to be seen.